The Easyfix DIY range includes a selection of letterbox draught excluders to suit different doors and levels of insulation. These are individually packaged with screws, fitting instructions and a cutting template where needed. All details can be found at secondarydiyglazing.com, where they can be bought as singles or bulk packs. Here is a summary of the different types available and their approximate sizes. The standard letterbox has a plastic surround with textured wood grain effect and polypropylene bristles. Screwed face on to the inside of a wooden door, it's available in brown or white. Overall dimensions are 340 by 80 mm, covering an aperture of 275 by 45 mm. The flap letterbox is similar to the standard, but with the addition of a hinged flap. Also for screwing to the inside of a wooden door and available in brown or white. Overall dimensions are also 340 by 80 mm, covering an aperture of 275 by 45 mm. Deluxe flap letterplate is suitable for internal or external mounting on a wooden door. The spring-loaded aluminium flap is anodized in a choice of silver, gold, black or white, with matching frame and brush seal. Outer dimensions are 294 by 75 mm, covering an aperture of 250 by 40 mm. Duo letterbox. This two-part draught excluder fits either wooden or PVC doors of differing thicknesses. Each part has an anodized aluminium flap with a plastic sleeve for lining the door. The inner flap has a brush seal and the outer has a gasket weather seal. Frame colours are black or white and flap colours are aluminium, gold, white or silver. Overall this is 305 by 70 mm to fit an aperture of at least 265 by 45 mm. And can be fitted on doors of 38 to 75 mm thick. All up-to-date details can be found on secondarydiyglazing.com, along with information on Easyfix draught excluders for door frames, door bottoms, as well as foam, EPDM and bristle seals for closing gaps.